Hi everyone, my name is Melissa van Dijk, and in today's video I want to show you how to make healthy, skin-friendly stuffed eggs. I love having these in the morning because they combine all my breakfast favorites, which is eggs, cheese and yogurt. And I thought, well, why not mix it all together so that nothing gets left out? Plus, if you look at what's actually in there, it makes a lot of sense from a nutritional perspective. It is high in protein and calcium from the eggs and cheese, gut-friendly probiotics from the sheep yogurt, and a little natural support for your immune system and skin from garlic and chives. But I do not want to ramble on too much and get right into the video so that you can recreate this delicious breakfast or snack at home. So let's get started with the ingredients for one portion. So you need 3 eggs, use free range if possible, around 30 to 40 grams of sheep's yogurt, which is high in protein, low in lactose, packed with probiotics and easier to digest than cow's yogurt, 20 to 30 grams of feta cheese, about a teaspoon of chives, ideally organic, fresh or dried, about 1 gram of garlic, again ideally organic in powder or dried flakes, and lastly, use about 0.5 to 0.8 grams of fine rock salt. Avoid sea salt because of microplastics contamination. Once you've got the ingredients ready, let's start preparing the eggs. First, take a pot and fill it with warm water. Bring it to a boil. Then gently place the eggs in using a spoon and let them boil for 10 minutes. You can turn the heat down just a bit, enough to keep the water gently bubbling, not boiling like crazy. Next, take them out with a spoon and place them into a bowl. After that, cool the pot down with cold water. Pour that water out once, then refill it with fresh cold water and place the eggs back in. Finally, let them sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, then take them out. At this point, the eggs should be lukewarm, not cold, which is super important because when they're just warm enough, the egg yolks really soak up the flavors and mix much more smoothly. And now that we've got the eggs just right, let's move on to the fun part, which is preparing the filling. First, peel the eggs. Then cut them in half. And gently remove the yolks. Place the yolks in a small bowl or on a plate. After that, add in your sheep yogurt, fine rock salt, chives, garlic and feta cheese. Then mash and mix everything together with a fork until it's nicely combined. Just a quick note here, the texture is totally up to you. If you like it really smooth, keep on mixing it, or you may want to add some additional yogurt. However, if you prefer it a little bit more textured, then just stop when it feels right to you. Once it's at your desired consistency, grab a spoon and start stuffing the eggs with your mixture. And that's all there is to it. You've got a beautiful, nourishing breakfast that's satisfying and keeps your energy steady throughout the morning. It may be simple, but it gives your body exactly what it needs. Protein, good fats and a little gut support too. And that's exactly why I wanted to share this recipe with you today. And I hope that you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Remember, if you want to learn more about healthy and skin-friendly recipes, you can check out the videos right here. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with someone who loves eggs in the morning too. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm now off to enjoying my breakfast.